So once again, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about list comprehensions. Let me tell you something about list comprehensions. List comprehension is a synthetic syntax in Python for creating a new list from the iterables. Okay, so it is avoiding the regular way with the help of this for loop and append method which we are going to use, and it will be utilizing more Pythonic in your code. So what is the common benefits of this list comprehension? Like readability, performance, and functional programming. Okay, so let us go and see what is this traditional way for creating the list comprehension. So let me create a list, an empty list, and here I'm going to generate an iterable with the help of this range method. So now I am trying to append the list with the help of the squares which I am gathering from this range iterable. So append, and here I am going to write like I exponents of 2. Now I am going to return the square. So you can see the result. So here I have generated for each and every value as a square inside a list, right? So let us do it in a Pythonic way. So for that we have to know about what is the syntax for creating this list comprehension. Okay, so syntax, and here see new list name is equal to inside the list. You have to go with this expression, and here for loop item in iterable, item in iterable. Clear? So let's go and create the same list comprehension with this squares only. Okay, so let me say like I'm going to create as s, which is nothing but a square, and here within this list comprehension I'm going to write the expression as x exponent of 2, and for x in range of 1 comma 11. It is very simple and easy to read. So let us go with some other example also. So here I am going to utilize a string for list comprehensions. Okay, so for example here I am going to say like str1 is equal to list of, so for each and every element in a string for x in, here I'm going to say like Python. Okay, so let me take in this way Python. So let's print this str1, and you can see the result as Python. So it is going to print each and every character from the iterable string, right? So I can also do some modifications, like here whatever the string we have given is in a uppercase. So I just want to utilize this lower method. Is this possible? Yes, it is. You can see that here. Yes, it was converted, right? In the same way, I can modify complex operations also in a simpler format. See here. Here I'm going to say like even is equal to, here you can also write a condition here. See, here I'm going to select condition. Okay, so let us go and have one example with condition. So here I'm going to say like x for x in range of 1 comma 11, and here I'm going to write a condition as if x percentile 2 is equal to 0. So which means I just want to generate the numbers from 1 to 10 which are even numbers. Is that clear? So see here, You can see the result. Okay. So in this way, your Python program will be more Pythonic. That's it for the day. Thank you.